Hi and welcome to another Tabitha's Glass Emporium YouTube video. Today I'm here with my daughter Riva, who helped me make these fabulous hearts. These are inspired by the idea of, there's a great technique if you're feeling anxious where you name 5 things you can see, 4 things you can hear, 3 things you can touch, 2 things you can smell and 1 thing you can taste. And it helps you just concentrating on that to calm your nervous system. And then the idea is that you have this in your pocket and you go, oh, there's the starfish. There's the amber leaf, there's the flower, there's the lily, and there's the rose. And you can just hold them in your hand and make sure you're feeling each 5 things to help yourself calm down. So I made these for Riva. When she's doing a test and gets anxious, she can just hold on to it and think of the 5 things on there to calm herself down. You can go to Tabitha's Glass Emporium to get all of these fabulous Murrine and sign up to our newsletter. And here today we're going to show you how we made these. So this is a project that I wanted to do for my daughter. She suffers from anxiety, so I want to make a slab to make some hearts. It doesn't need to be very big. I'm using some dense white. And I'm really just going to let it pile up. So classically it didn't film, but I have got layers of reactive cloud. We've got some twisty cane. A little bit of silver, I've got some dichroic in there, I've even got some glow in the dark, I've got some French vanilla with the dense white, will hopefully have a nice reaction. The silver will hopefully react with the opal reactive cloud, and we've got some various other colours in there as well. So this is all going to be fused together in a kind of just what I kind of call a slab. Just a piece, and then I'm going to make some hearts out of it afterwards. It's kind of my way I like doing hearts, mostly because I don't have heart moulds, so this seems my easiest way. So this is going to go in a full fuse and we can see how it looks when it comes out. So here is my slab out of the kiln when I was looking at hearts. So there's really beautiful kind of reactions going on here, but it's just not as pretty as I'd like. So I'm going to add some more bits to it in the kiln and put it back in. I think it's also just a bit too transparent and it needs a bit more kind of layering. So I'm going to put it back in and we will see how it goes from there. Here is this out of the kiln. I've marked on it where I want to kind of cut it up into rough hearts and then I can work out the proper hearts. So I'm just going to cut it up on the tile saw. Here are these, I've cold worked them. Now I'm going to put them in on a contour fuse. I'm going to go slightly hotter than the tack fuse. Just want to round them off a little bit and soften the edges. And then we're going to tack fuse the elements on top of them. So here they are out of the kiln. And now we just need to tack fuse a few little Murrine on them to give them that texture I was talking about at the beginning of the film. So the idea about this really is when you, if you're feeling like, sometimes I'm feeling anxious and you can do this thing where you count different things, like 5 things I can see, 4 things I can feel. And I thought it'd be cool to do some hearts where you can feel 5 different things. And you feel like 1, you go, oh, that's the poinsettia, and 2, that's the snowdrops, and 3, there's the little bird, and 4, there's the leaves, and 5, there's the flowers. And I thought maybe you'd like to decorate one for yourself. Okay. Which one do you like? Or I can take ones off one of this and you can decorate one of those.
I kind of like this one.
Okay.
Or
so
this one.
You can decorate 2 if you want, and 1 for you, 1 for a friend. You can decorate them all. But so you're just choosing 5 little things from all of this. You've got some mixed stuff here.
Oh, watermelon.
And watermelon if you want, and you can put them on, and then we'll put them into fire, and then you'll be able to feel them if you're feeling anxious. Is that a cool idea?
Uh-huh.
All right, I'm going to let you get on with it. So here they are out of the kiln and looking fab. I have Riva here who's going to show me which ones she made. Which ones did you make, Riv?
This one, and that one.
That's fantastic. And do you think they're good? Do you think they're a nice idea?
Yes.
Oh, brilliant. Well, we hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure you go to tabithasglassemporium.com to get all your fabulous Murrine needs, and also sign up to our newsletter to hear about any new products or any other fabulous videos coming out. Until next time, do you know the end line? Happy fusing!